welcome. You're watching Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. There's a lot of suspense over who the Delhi Chief Minister will be. The top NDA Chief Ministers and leaders will be in attendance. So who could it be? What are the discussions that are taking place? The pros and cons. We tell you all of that. So the suspense of the Delhi CM has not ended yet. The answer will be known by 7 p.m. today. Because 10 days after the BJP's historic Delhi victory, the crucial legislature party meeting is likely to be held this evening. But with the BJP all set to form the government in Delhi after a gap of 27 years, all eyes are now on who would the party pick to become the Chief Minister of Delhi. Times Now has the list of the probables who are in the race for the Chief Minister's post. But as is always the case with the BJP, it comes with the disclaimer that the outcome can be extremely different. But one thing is almost certain, that it will be one of the 48 MLAs. So let's tell you the list of names that are on the shortlist that are doing the round. So let's get you the names that are there currently. Parvesh Verma, now remember right from the start his name has been spoken about because he is a giant slayer. He defeated Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency and he is a Jat leader, a very prominent name within the BJP. There are a lot of factors that work for him, including having the backing of the RSS. But that's not the only name. Rekha Gupta, another leader of the BJP, her name is also doing the rounds. She could be probably the Chief Minister. She has some experience and the BJP may be wanting to give out a message that we have a woman Chief Minister. Is that likely or not? There's a likelihood of Vijender Gupta as well. Bania leader, more importantly, he's somebody who has experience on his side. So he's a veteran leader. So BJP may pick from there. Apart from that, Ashish Sood as well. There are a lot of speculations that perhaps it could be Ashish Sood because he is a Punjabi. And apart from that, with the BJP wanting to send out a message, there could be leaders from any of the communities that could be picked. Remember, these are mere speculations. As of now, not even a hint being dropped by the BJP yet. Would it be Jitendra Mahajan or not? The question remains. These are all speculations that are still doing the rounds. Among the many names is also the name of Shikha Roy, the BJP leader who could be in contention to be the Chief Minister. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, the suspense has continued and we've seen quite often until the very last minute the suspense has stayed. Oftentimes the BJP has also picked a name that not many, even within the party, even the person who is picked was just not aware that he or she could be the one. So what is the word that you're picking up?
Well, there are many names that are doing the round and you're absolutely right on that count. BJP never gives out the name. In fact, the observers who have been put in charge of having this legislative meeting and they'll be the one announcing the name of the chief ministerial candidate. Even, in fact, they don't know the name. In fact, if you look at the tradition, at many times when these observers were sent, they were sent with an envelope, a slip, and they will read that out slip only during the legislative party meeting. And this is how, though the consensus, the process is that they have to make a consensus and all the MLAs need to choose their own leader, and that leader will become the chief ministerial candidate. But High Command also has a say in it and they decide. And these observers also get to know when they will get the slip from the High Command that deliberations have already been done. And not just with the BJP, I tell you, the deliberation with the Sangh, RSS has also been done at multiple point of time. Day before yesterday also there was a discussion on the names of many of the probables that you had listed. Mr. Parvesh Verma, Rekha Gupta, Ajay Mahavar was one name, and there are Vijender Gupta. There are so many names that have been discussed. And the thing with the Delhi BJP is that you have your line with the top leadership in the party, and you also have a line with the top RSS leadership in the party. So when these two discuss the names, there is always a clash, on certain names. So the name is going to be decided and will be given to the observer, and that is when that name is going to be announced in the legislative party meeting here at 14 Panmarg, which is Delhi headquarters, around 7 o'clock. But we are given to understand that RSS do have a say in who is going to be the Delhi Chief Minister. They had also worked very hard. Very crucial day. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is also in Delhi today. He will be addressing Karyakarta Sammelan, and we are given to understand there could be a meeting with Mr. Amit Shah also prior to that Sammelan. It's likely that he is going to meet, Amit Shah is going to meet Mr. Mohan Bhagwat today. So all of that in place, preparations are going on, and everyone is asking everyone who is going to be the chief minister. There are many speculations. Everyone is pitching their own candidate's name, and they're saying that this seems like a probable.
So a lot of speculations on who it could be, probables, pros and cons of each person. All of those discussions taking place. Stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in of the